You are more confident than you think you are. You are selling yourself short, and the thing is that it's probably because you don't understand how other people perceive you. See, if any of these signs are happening to you, chances are other people are seeing you as a confident dude, and you don't even realize it. Let's hop into this. 1, you listen over speaking. One of the biggest signs of insecurity, to know if somebody's insecure, is see just how much they talk. If they start talking a lot and overcompensating and over trying to show off, usually there is some insecurity deep inside. But if you take a seat back, become a listener, let them talk, let them ramble on. Not only are you in a better position, right, to say something accurate, to say something profound, you also allow them to trip up first. See, because if you just allow them to talk, they're gonna stumble, they're gonna stutter, and now you look like they're sitting there highly confident. You haven't done a jack. You're just sitting back, letting them basically be a whole car crash, and you're just sitting there calm, collected, confident. 2, you never put your head down. This is crucial. See, when you walk into rooms, when you walk into any situation, you should not walk with your head down on the floor, all scared. No. What are you doing, bro? You walk with your head held high. If this is you, chances are you're always looking confident and you don't even realize it. Because when your head's high, you're making eye contact with everybody. People are assuming, man, this guy has to be super confident. He's not worried about nobody. And if you really want to add some spice to that, throw on a pair of frames. Throw on a dark pair of frames. Something that covers the eyesight. So now you're walking with your head held high, but they can't make eye contact to you. You're making eye contact with them. There is some sort of mystery. And I'm going to be honest with you, bro. When it comes to Jay Black, we got you covered, right? We got the best frames in the game. You already know that. Especially for our price point at around $50. You're getting Italian handmade acetate, stainless steel construction. Yo, these are polarized lenses. Most brands, especially at a price point, they don't do polarization because it's expensive. We got you covered. And then on top of that, they're affordable. And if you live in the US, you're getting free shipping and free returns. And matter of fact, I'm going to hook it up even more because if you wear the right frame, see, these are our pilots, which are similar to our aviators. These are our aviators, which come in a sunglass form as well. The aviators are classic, but both of these are military inspired. They're the ones if you want to add that mystery. The pilots are just like the aviators, but if you can tell, it has a little bit of acetate rim. That's Italian acetate around to add more of a modern touch. Bro, if you want either the aviator or the pilot, I'm about to hook it up today. Only for these 2 pairs, the pilots or the aviators. These are only for the guys that are looking for that frame, especially for summer, to add some of that hard-ass vibe to your look, to add some of that confidence to your look. Only for those guys. Today only, 24 hours, you're going to get a 20% on discount. So if you want the aviators or the pilots, I'm going to have both pairs linked down below. You can buy both of them as well if you'd like. I'm going to put a 20% discount. This is limited. Bro, it's already at an affordable price. At this point, it's a gift. Like, it's a gift, and if I were you, I would stock up. And again, the discount code only works on those 2 pairs, not the entire site. But if I were you, I would stock up because think about it. Yo, Father's Day is right around the corner, bro. 3, you wear what you like. If you're that type of dude that you just put on what you like, what makes you comfortable, what gives you confidence, no matter what other people say, especially no matter what other friends wear. See, because this is where you show your true confidence, when you start becoming a true leader, when you break off from the pack. See, most of the times your friends will try to bring you down, especially if they're looking like Adam Sandler every day and you're out here actually trying to dress better, level yourself up. They're going to try to bring you right back down to their level. But if you don't care and you still wear what you want, bro, that's confidence. 4, you talk less, you do more. See, you're the type of guy that allows your results to speak for you. What can you actually achieve? And see, that's not arrogance. That you're walking with is confidence. Confidence in knowing what you're capable of and knowing what you're able to do. See, so many guys, especially the insecure ones, love to talk. They love to talk about their goals. They love to talk about what they're going to do. And this buddy, we're starting this company and this. But you talk to them a month later, yo, how's that going? Nothing. Chirping. Nothing. But you, on the other hand, you got it here, right? You're writing down them goals and you're working every day. Every day, right? I'm putting in that work. I'm getting closer, one step at a time. And then 5 years from now, when you look back, you're just walking with that confidence, bro. Because you're that guy. 5, you control your emotions. See, you do not allow other people to control your emotional response, your sadness, your anxiety, your anger, etc. All those emotions just should not carry a burden on you. They should not matter as to how you react, because you have that emotional intelligence. I'm not saying you're not gonna feel those things. Those things are very, very real. You're just not gonna allow them to change how you react. You'll stay disciplined. You gotta move on forward, because at the end of the day, the work, your goals, and whatever you wanna achieve won't care about how you feel. Finally, number 6, you know your weaknesses. That is a confident man right there. See, the man that tells you that he has no weakness is lying to your face. Every man has a weakness. Every man has a downfall. And it's the strongest men that recognize that, right? You know, damn, I'm lacking here. I'm lacking there. Let's fix that. Now, I'm not telling you to share your weakness, right? Ain't nobody gonna know what Jose's battling with. Ain't nobody gonna know what Jose's weaknesses are, but I know, right? You work on those in silence. So whenever they come to light, it'll look like it's a strength. It'll look like you got no weakness, bro. You're walking with that confidence because you're constantly working on yourself. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sale for the pilots and the generals on J Black. Just those two, 20% off. Yo, that's not going to last. See you guys next time.